What if you could craft stunning movie trailers like a pro using a brand new website that's completely free? I'm about to reveal how. Get ready to unleash your creativity because I'm about to blow your mind with an incredible way to create realistic, Hollywood-quality movie trailer videos using a brand new website that's 100% free. That's right, no costs, no limits, just pure creative power at your fingertips. All you need to do is sign up, input your prompts, and watch as this platform churns out jaw-dropping videos in no time. The results? You'll see them for yourself. Stunning, high-quality, realistic videos that I've created using this exact method. Whether you want to make epic movie trailers, 3D animations, kid-friendly content, or even trendy vlogging-style videos like those made with Google VEO3, this website has you covered. With this tool, you can create unlimited videos and, inshallah, rack up millions of views. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step and reveal the website that makes it all possible, completely free. But before we dive in, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like to join our creative community and stay inspired. As you know, every great video starts with a killer idea, so the first thing you need is a vision for the kind of video you want to create. For example, I made a movie trailer style video, and I'm going to teach you how to do the same. Head to the description of this video where you'll find a prompt I've shared. This prompt is your golden ticket to creating movie trailer videos just like mine. For instance, my example features a massive gorilla wreaking havoc in a city, with the military swooping in to stop it. Think Hollywood's King Kong vibes. Using this prompt, you can generate all sorts of ideas for videos featuring giant animals tearing through cities or buildings. These ideas are pure gold and perfect for creating high-energy trailers. Here's how it works. Copy the prompt from the video description, then head to Google and search for deepseek.com. This takes you to a Chinese website. Paste the prompt you copied into the prompt box and hit enter. Boom! DeepSeek will generate 10 incredible ideas for your movie trailer, each featuring massive animals tearing through cities or buildings. These ideas are pure gold and perfect for creating high-energy trailers. Next, pick the idea that excites you the most. For example, let's say you love one about a colossal creature causing chaos. Copy that idea, go back to DeepSeek's prompt box, and paste it. Then add this line. Write a 400-word story based on this idea. Why a story? Movie trailers don't use voiceovers, just sound effects and music, but a detailed story helps you create precise image prompts for a cohesive sequence. Without a story, your images won't flow properly. Once you hit enter, DeepSeek will craft a complete 400-word story tailored to your idea. Now that you have your story, it's time to create visuals. In the same prompt box, type "Generate 10 detailed image prompts for this story." Make the animal the size of a dinosaur. You can also write image-to-video prompts if you prefer, but either works. Hit enter, and DeepSeek will produce 10 detailed prompts perfectly aligned with your movie trailer's story. These prompts are designed to create visuals of giant animals causing epic destruction, exactly what you need for a cinematic trailer. Now here's where the magic happens. Copy the first prompt from DeepSeek and head to Google, search for Huanyan Tencent. Yes, this is the same company behind PUBG, and they've built an incredible AI-powered image-to-video generator that's completely free. Once on their site, you'll notice it's in Chinese and it won't translate to English, so pay close attention. Start by clicking the Login button on the top right. Select the Email option, and you'll see a field to enter an email address. Here's a pro tip. You can use your own email, but I recommend a disposable one for convenience. Go to Google and search for tempmail.org. This site instantly generates a temporary email address for you. Copy that, head back to Huanyan, and paste it into the email field. Click Get Verification Code, agree to the terms, and check your temp mail inbox for the OTP code. Copy the code, paste it into Huanyan, and hit Login. Congratulations, you've created an account without using your personal email. Once logged in, the site is still in Chinese, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Look at the top menu and click the third option from the left. This opens a drop-down with 4 options. Click the bottom one. Yes, it's a bit of a guess, but trust me, it works. Next, find the Try It Now button and click it to access the prompt box. Paste your first DeepSeek prompt here. Below the prompt box, select your video's aspect ratio. I'm using 16:9, but you can choose 9:16 or whatever suits your needs. Then, hit the Generate button and your video will start processing. Here's a heads up. You might see a number like 166 on the screen, indicating how many people are ahead of you in the queue. During the day, you may have to wait a bit, around 30 to 45 minutes because the site is popular. But here's a game changer. Use Huanyun after 10 or 11 p.m. your time, and there's usually no wait at all. Your videos will generate almost instantly. Once your first video is queued, go back to DeepSeek, copy your second prompt, paste it into Huanyun's prompt box, and generate another video. Repeat for the third prompt. You can queue up to 3 videos at a time per account. To check their progress, go to the top menu, click the second option, the gallery, and you'll see your videos being processed. Once they're done, they'll appear here ready to download. Here's the best part. I've tested this and Huanyun is truly unlimited. You can generate 3 videos, download them, and queue 3 more without ever being asked for credits. The only catch, if you generate too many videos at once, the speed might slow down. But don't worry, I've got a trick to solve that, and I'll share it at the end of this video, so stick around. Once your videos are ready, mine took about 30 minutes, you'll see the results and they're mind-blowing. I'll show you my finished clips soon. To keep generating, go back to DeepSeek, copy your next set of prompts, and queue more videos on Huanyun. You can keep going without limits. Now let's polish your videos. Download your clips and open them in a video editor. I use Wondershare Filmora, but any editor works. Import your clips, arrange them on the timeline, and scale them up slightly to remove the Chinese watermark and zoom in for a cinematic effect. Next, click the Transitions tab and add smooth transition effects between clips for a professional look. Sound is crucial for movie trailers. Head to pixabay.com, click the Sound Effects option, and search for effects like gunshots, explosions, or fire, whatever matches your video's action. If you need guidance, check my previous videos where I explain this in detail. Also, grab a high-energy background track from YouTube's audio library to set the mood. Drag your sound effects and music onto the timeline, syncing them with the visuals. Gunshots for shooting scenes, fire sounds for flames, explosions for chaos. Play the video to fine-tune the timing. Once your effects and music are in place, export the video in the highest resolution possible. Your epic movie trailer is now ready to go viral. Now here's the trick to generate tons of videos without slowing down. Back on tempmail.org, delete your current inbox by clicking the Delete button. This refreshes the page and generates a new email address. Copy it, return to Huanyun, and create a new account. Using the same steps, paste the email, get the OTP, and log in. Repeat this to create 3 or 4 accounts. Since each account can queue up to 3 videos, 4 accounts let you generate 12 videos at once. In about 30 minutes, you'll have 12 videos ready. Queue another 12, and in just an hour, you'll have 24 videos, all for free with no speed loss and 0 cost. You now have the ultimate guide to creating epic movie trailers using a free AI-powered website. If this tutorial fires you up, smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more game-changing tips. Set the bell icon to all so we can keep meeting up for new video creation hacks. You're watching the Radio TV Global. Let's keep creating and inspiring.